Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the workbook open and a backup saved. Now start by showing formulas so you see what causes the error. Press Ctrl+ or go to Formula right arrow Show Formulas. This reveals each cell formula. Once visible, scan for #ref. Occurrences visually or use Find, Ctrl+F, and search for #ref. Make sure to note the affected sheets and whether deleted rows, moved sheets, or broken ranges seem likely. This immediate overview helps you target the next corrective actions. Select one #ref cell and look at the formula bar to see what was removed. Often you'll see something like SUM #ref A2. Once done, use formulas right arrow trace precedence and trace dependence to visualize linked cells. Also open Name Manager to confirm named ranges aren't pointing to deleted ranges. If links reference another file, go to Data right arrow Edit Links to verify the source workbook. These diagnostic steps reveal whether you need to restore data, repair by editing the formula, replace #ref with the correct cell or range, or restore the deleted sheet if available. Next, update Name Manager entries and fix any broken external links via Data right arrow Edit Links. After making changes, press F9 to force recalculation and re-enable Show Formulas off to view results normally. If values still look wrong, use Trace Precedence again to ensure all dependencies are intact. Tip: if a formula won't accept a fix, check for array or function-specific syntax errors when replacing references.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.